Hello everyone! Let's explore some handy TUKAcad shortcuts. Today, we'll see how to easily set and grade zipper lengths. A customer requires the same zipper lengths for certain sizes. This is a graded back skirt pattern that requires the same zipper length for certain sizes. Sizes 0, 2, 4 equal 6 inches. Sizes 6, 8, 10, 12 equal 7 inches. Sizes 14, 16, 18 equal 8 inches. To set or grade the zipper length, Step 1. Select the Notch tool. Shortcut key N. Step 2. Click between grade point 1 and grade point 2. Step 3. Uncheck the Auto Regrade option. This allows you to manually input the notch distance for all sizes. Step 4. Double left mouse, click each column to input the value. Step 5. Click the OK button to finish. To check the zipper length for each size, select the Measure tool, shortcut key M. Click on Grade Point 1, then click on Grade Point 2. The zipper length will be the same for sizes 0 to 4, 6 to 12, and 14 to 18. And that's how you can easily set and grade zipper length.